Merci beaucoup. Good afternoon. Hello to all my friends and the people that I know. So, mangithi merci beaucoup, bonjour. Bingelela laphayana Kinshasa lapha e-DRC, eCongo. My people at Congo. Ngiyanibingelela egameni loma-Afrika ashe. So manje la ngiyabingelela ngoba ngibonile ukuthi a great job has been done and well done to ama-minister no-president, especially i-head of i-environment, Minister Leon Mulumba, for executing the job. Well done. Phela kunini kunemikhukhu laphayana and nalabantu babhizi bangahlelanga kahle baloku bahlukumezeka. Sanibongela. Hoping going forward ama-plans to execute the new development will be accordingly. And bonjour to Denise, this lady that has a buzz on YouTube channel yakhe ngiyamlandela. With the Lord that has been said by her, I'm greeting you today, my sister. Umoya wesonto, umoya we-church ngoba ziningi, but ngizoloku ngihamba ngixoxela zona ukuthi nje bengifuna ukuthi wazi ukuthi imehlo mane, and futhi for manje ilokho nje. But anyway, ngisase ku-job hunting, guys. Opportunities ngicela as available as a graduate la South Africa or even other neighboring countries available. I have my passport. The only thing esele ukuthi ngilungise i-visa yami should the opportunity avail itself ngikhona, because I have debts that I've incurred, like student loans that I still need to pay, my home loan that I still need to pay due to Osha being fired lapha my previous employer for their own reasons that were not disclosed to me till today. So asking for my opportunities, because if I try to apply, my personal emails are blocked, so I can't apply. So if should you want to me to fill in the position or any opportunities that